Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be giving some insights about LearnDash and LearnDash Groups. What are they? Why should you care? What can you do with them when you're running your LearnDash membership website? I think I've got some great insights. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you're interested in LearnDash and also LearnDash Groups. And in this video, I'm going to give a quick intro of what they are, what they're not, and some other things that you really need. Now, until about a year ago, the main reason why people were interested in LearnDash Groups is that it was the only mechanism you could utilize with LearnDash to actually sell subscriptions through LearnDash without a third-party add-on plugin. Now, the problem with that was that for a beginner, for somebody not used to utilizing LearnDash, it was a little bit complicated to get your head around how to set up groups and put a course or courses into a group and then set it up so you could sell that subscription. I was going to utilize the words that it was hard. It wasn't that particular hard, but it did introduce a degree of complexity and extra steps into a process that really shouldn't have needed that to basically sell a one course with a subscription, which is one of the main reasons why people look at LearnDash. You get all the benefits of digital ownership, customization, all the other benefits, but that was one of the main reasons. Now, LearnDash, about a year ago, 6 months ago to a year ago, introduced their own membership plugin, which works with LearnDash, and it basically means that you don't have to set up groups to actually sell subscriptions. So are there any other elements to groups that make it worthwhile? And the answer is yes. And it's around setting up groups if you're going to have people, let's say you're selling your courses and membership to B2B, business to business, and you have, or you're in an organization like a school or private college or association, and you have the main admin who sets up the course, but you have sub instructors that run courses and administrate different courses. You can set up groups, so a separate administrator or course lead can set up those courses and administrate them. Now, I introduced the thing about selling to business. Now, with LearnDash Groups, you can't actually do that. You've got to use an excellent third-party plugin from Uncanny Owl, and it's their group plugin. And then you've got to add, it's a fabulous plugin. I highly recommend it. You only have to use it if, let's say, you were selling to external training organizations and they wanted to buy a certain amount of seats, and you just wanted to say this course, that other course, and you sold it to them in a bundle, and you sold so many seats, and they would supervise it and issue their own license to particular students in their organization, but they would admin it. That kind of setup, you really do need to utilize Uncanny Groups for that. But you also need some other elements. You need WooCommerce, and you need WooCommerce subscription add-on plugin to enable you to do that with Uncanny Owls group plugin. But that's why you would look at that particular solution with LearnDash. If it's a more internal setup where you're not selling a course bundles with seats to a third-party business entity, but it's more internal control and management, you can just do that with the LearnDash Group setup, basically. I'm going to leave it at that because I don't want this video to turn into the video equivalent of War and Peace. Also, I've written an extensive post that goes into this in a lot more detail. You find the link in the video subscription. That should be really useful. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, folks, and subscribe to the channel. I would be really appreciative if you could do that. It really shows YouTube that I'm doing something right, and it really encourages me to make more of these videos. I see you soon, folks. Bye.